In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom hatch pattern in AutoCAD. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Hatching is an essential way to communicate material, texture, and fill on your drawings. So I'll walk you through a simple, reliable workflow and give practical tips to avoid common mistakes. To begin the hatch process, start the hatch command. You can do this by typing hatch or just H in the command line, or by clicking the hatch icon on the Home tab in the Draw panel. When you launch the command, the Hatch Creation tab appears and gives you access to pattern selection and boundary tools. Next, choose the pattern you want. On the Hatch Creation tab, open the Pattern panel and pick a pattern from the drop-down. AutoCAD includes many standard patterns such as ANSI 31 for simple lines, Concrete for construction drawings, and Dots for some architectural fills. Choose a pattern that best represents the material or look you need. Keep in mind that scale and angle settings will affect the final appearance, so you can start with a standard pattern and fine-tune it afterward. Defining the boundary is the step that determines where the hatch will be placed. Use the Boundaries panel to either click Pick Points and select the internal point of a closed area, or choose Select Objects to directly pick one or more closed polylines, circles, or regions. Make sure the area you pick is fully enclosed. Unclosed boundaries can result in unexpected hatched areas, or no hatch at all. If the area has gaps, close them first or use Select Objects to explicitly choose the exact boundary entities. After the boundary is set, customize the hatch appearance in the Properties area of the ribbon. Adjust scale to make the pattern denser or more open, change angle to rotate the hatch lines or pattern to match your drawing orientation, and use transparency to control how much of the underlying geometry shows through. The origin setting lets you align the hatch to a specific point, which is useful for matching patterns across adjacent areas so they look continuous. Small adjustments here can make a big difference, so preview changes as you go. When everything looks right, apply the hatch by pressing Enter. The hatch will be created and, depending on your settings, associated with the boundary so it updates if the boundary changes. As a final tip, always zoom in to check for overlaps or misalignments, and save your drawing. With these steps, you'll be able to create clear, consistent custom hatch patterns in AutoCAD.